Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma hagasmi Palei Lamkhmat thang but pynkylla dpei droks shongdor haduh 100% klur tingka Palei kurup na kylleng district Jylla. New droks thang haka atoskhana rhem jong kompani Star Cement Ltd kemudian Lumshnong East Jaintia Hills District.
Today the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and the team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the anti-narcotics task force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely.
Kanigajing thang drugs karegabrale at a high level and district level drugs disposal committee katanat Meghalaya police. Hagajing don lang kisimbut Myntri Rangbah ba Preston Tinsong ba snya bhalang dhar ka Myntri ka koit ka khia kong amperin lingdo ka MLA kong Santa Mary Shilla bat ki he ki han ka sarkar. Habakran hagajing lang Myntri Rangbah ula banbiang sa sisien ya ka jingkut jingmut jong ka sarkar ban pindu ujat yo drugs ubala pinjat ekajing im jong ki babun ki samla ka Jylla. Ula ang baka sarkar lingba ka drugs reduction, elimination and action mission ni DREAM kala ai ka jingkasha ni ki samla ki biyakhun ban pelat no yaladi na drugs. Kini ki drugs ki thang ki de ki jong ki case NDPS bala register hagi Santali ki district ka Jylla ke East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, West Jaintia Hills but East Jaintia Hills District.